welcome back to Healing Point Massage Therapy YouTube channel. My name is Liana and I'm here today with Desiree, our registered acupuncturist at Healing Point Massage Therapy in St. Albert. Today we're going to be talking about what acupuncture is.
I don't know what the question is, but the answer is acupuncture, anonymous.
Yeah, here you go. So you don't I have a fact that I'll read to you guys. You don't have to have anything wrong to get an acupuncture treatment. One of acupuncture's strength is its ability to prevent things from going wrong. As a preventative medicine, acupuncture boosts the immune system, promotes healthy circulation, aids in organ and cell detoxification, decreases inflammation, and helps your body respond to stress in a healthy way. It came from balanceCharleston.com, one of his blog. That's a lot that acupuncture can do. That's really amazing.
Yeah, definitely. And some of my favorite people to treat are those that are really skeptical about acupuncture, the ones that aren't sure that it's going to work for them.
Mm-hmm.
Those are the most satisfying because when they've tried everything else, often acupuncture is kind of the last ditch effort that people go towards for their wellness and healing. And when someone has kind of lost all hope and then finds a treatment modality that works for them, it's so rewarding. And that's why I love treating people who are skeptical about trying acupuncture.
And then when they find out and what they can actually do to their body, they're like their regulars, right? So that's really awesome. They're our favorite clients. Yeah. So so our listeners would like to know, what is acupuncture?
So acupuncture involves the insertion of very fine, thin, sterilized needles at various points on the body. In addition to the needling aspect, your acupuncture treatment may include a number of other modalities, including gua sha, tuina, cupping, electroacupuncture, auricular acupuncture, moxibustion. Those may all be included as part of your acupuncture treatment and part of your wellness journey.
That's awesome. And then, they're also curious about what happens during an acupuncture treatment.
Yeah, during your initial acupuncture treatment, we will start with a very comprehensive intake where I will learn all about your health history. During that, I may also ask to see your tongue. We have a facet of diagnosis called tongue diagnosis. We also have pulse diagnosis, so I may take your radial pulse on both wrists. That will give me a little extra information about you and your health and wellness. After I've gotten a full comprehensive look at your health, then we will go through the intake form together and the consent form and make sure you understand and that I gain informed consent from you. Then you will, provided I have your consent, you will get on the treatment table. I will leave the room so that you can get comfortable. I will insert the needles. I will often leave the room, if you are comfortable with that, for 5 to 10 minutes at a time. I will come back and check on you. I may leave for another 5 to 15 minutes. Then I will remove the needles, and then you will often get another form of treatment modality as well before you are sent on your way home.
Yeah, probably depending on what they need.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's awesome. How does it benefit the client?
Acupuncture has so many benefits. Some of those being, so first of all, it stimulates your parasympathetic nervous system. So it takes you from that fight or flight, that really stressed feeling that a lot of us have, and it takes us into the rest and digest phase, which can be very relaxing for people. It can help actually modulate your response to pain. So it can actually increase your pain threshold. It releases endorphins and serotonin, so some of those feel-good chemicals in your body to also help with pain and discomfort. It can stimulate peristalsis, so help with digestion. It can actually lower triglycerides. It can increase your white blood cell count, so helping your body's immunity. It can regulate blood pressure. And those are just a few of the many benefits that acupuncture has.
Yeah, that's a lot. But all I know is I just feel so relaxed after an acupuncture treatment. So I always get excited for my treatment. And also, Does insurance cover acupuncture?
Yes. So most third-party insurance companies will cover your acupuncture treatment.
Yes.
That said, each plan is a little bit different, so I recommend that you check with your plan prior to booking.
Yeah, that's always good to know those things, hey? So is there any other problems that it can help solve? I know there's a few benefits that you mentioned a while ago. Is there like any other problems or specific that can help? Yeah.
So some of the most common conditions that I treat are musculoskeletal or pain conditions. I do treat a lot of back pain, shoulder pain, hip pain, knee pain. In addition to musculoskeletal, it can help with your digestion, it can help with your respiration, it can help with cardiology, it can help with your mental emotional health, it can help with skin conditions. It can also be used for fertility, for pregnancy, as well as pediatrics.
Yeah, that's a lot of that people don't know, right? And so like it can help this. Yes, it can help everything. Ask a question. Like you said, you don't know the question. Acupuncture is the answer. So I get a lot of questions for this. Is acupuncture safe or does it hurt?
So generally, no, acupuncture should not hurt. There are a range of sensations that are normal. We call these dai chi or chi sensations. So it is allowed to feel a little bit tingly, it can feel warm, it can feel a little bit heavy. That's all normal. It should never feel sharp for more than a second or two after insertion. It should never feel stabbing. It should never feel zinging. It should never feel painful or really uncomfortable. If that is the case, please tell your practitioner and they will be able to move it and make it so much better for you. Acupuncture should not be a painful experience.
And it's the same kind of thing is how, is it safe? Like, all the points that you're putting the needles on, like how safe is acupuncture?
Acupuncture, if done by a licensed professional, like myself, if they are regulated with the CAA, the College of Acupuncturists of Alberta, you can rest assured that your acupuncturist has been through thousands of hours of training, that they have passed some licensing exams, both provincially and federally, and that they are very qualified and have your health and wellness at the forefront of their minds.
Yeah, that's good to know. Thank you. And then, of course, like after treatment, you mentioned all that. What happens after treatment?
Okay, so most people will feel a reduction in their symptoms immediately after treatment. Usually some benefit is felt immediately. That's not always the case, but it's definitely most often the case. Some people will feel very energized after treatment. However, another very common reaction is to feel tired or groggy. A lot of people will feel very relaxed because they are in that parasympathetic state. They may end up feeling a little lightheaded, a little tired, like they want to take a nap. That is all very normal reactions. I say listen to your body, make sure to stay hydrated, and if your body's telling you to take it easy, you could probably benefit from that rest.
That's awesome. And I have another one here. Who can provide this treatment?
I always recommend looking for a registered acupuncturist. That is a protected title, so look for someone who does have that. They have some of the most training for that.
Yeah, that's awesome. So thank you so much for answering all those questions, Desiree. That's all the time that we have for today. Want to thank you for all tuning in with us today on our Healing Point Massage Therapy YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like, and if you would like to know more about acupuncture treatment, hit subscribe. Alright, thank you so much, and we will see you next time. And again, if you wanted to book for an acupuncture treatment with Desiree for initial consultation and treatment, please call us back. Please call us 780-569-3838, or you can always go on our website at healingpointmassage.ca and book online. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.
Bye.